Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account with Bendigo Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then type in bendigobank.com.au in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Bendigo Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner, and this will take you into the login portal. Now, from the login portal, you will simply be asked to enter your access ID. Just go ahead and type in your access ID and click on the next button. You will then be asked to type in your password. Simply go ahead and type in your password and then click on the next button, and you will be logged into your account with Bendigo Bank. In case you forgot your password, just go ahead and click on I forgot my password underneath the password box, and you will be able to reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Bendigo Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.